Yeah, so my name is Berardino Baratta. I'm the Chief Executive Officer for MxD. I'm responsible for all of our operations, and really if you look at MxD, we're a public-private partnership. We're focused on helping manufacturing improve. Department of Defense backed, but we really are a national institute that's trying to help all of manufacturing improve their ability to compete globally. So the problem really at MxD we were trying to solve was how do we share the data that we have on our demonstration space. We have a 20,000 square foot demonstration space that really shows Industry 4.0 in action so that people that visited, the 12,000 people a year, can understand how this applies. So with Software AG, with the Cumulocity platform, that is providing a standard interface to share all of this IoT data, whether it's from our discrete manufacturing cells, our process manufacturing cells, whether it's facility data for our HVAC systems, or it's some of the electric chargers that we have in the parking lot. So how do we share all that with a common interface no matter where the sources are? And Cumulocity was great for doing that. From our membership at a broader perspective, they're looking at how to take factory data especially and connect it in for preventative maintenance. How do they do predictive maintenance? Instead of going on timeline based, they go on condition based. How do they take the data off their factory floor, connect it with their enterprise systems, and start optimizing their planning? So it's really a foundational amount of data that they're trying to collect, but more importantly, they're trying to make it actionable. Again, I think the flexibility of Cumulocity that can interface with a lot of different sources underneath of data, but also connect with enterprise systems on the top, that's what makes it a unique solution that our members are appreciating. So the value of IoT is really how do you start looking at the benefit to manufacturing? So initial days of IoT, people were starting to figure out what to do with it. Today what's great is that they know what the problems they're trying to solve and they understand what the impact of those problems are. So collecting the data can be directly measured to business improvement. In some cases on condition-based maintenance, they don't have to take their cells offline as often. Well, that could be production when every time you're running the factory, that's when you're making money. Taking it offline for one less time a month generates pure profit for them. And so that's really the cases where people are starting to recognize is that not the data, but really how that data impacts their business, and then they can measure that impact directly. Software AG has been a great partner for MxD. We are a public-private partnership, so at our heart, we want to work with our members to really start solving the problems that affect all of manufacturing. And what's been great about working with Software AG as a general partner is that they have a breadth of solutions that cover the interoperability of data. And what's nice about working with them is that it's not just technology, they actually have the people that come in and work with us in our space to make these solutions available to members. We hosted a workshop with the government, with the Air Force, that looked at how IoT can benefit manufacturing within the government and their support facility. These are the opportunities where you can start engaging with partners beyond just one simple use case and really start looking at the breadth of them. And we really appreciated working with Software AG where we could do these type of broad engagements for mutual success. And so we look forward to continued engagement with Software AG over the coming years as we expand out the use of IoT within manufacturing.